The word liturgy comes from the Greek word leios and ergon, means participation of the people of God in the work of God. Through his ordination, the priest is configured to Christ and empowered to act in his name and authority. Luke chapter 10, verse 16. He is called to be a servant, a mediator, a shepherd, ministering to the spiritual needs of the faithful, teaching the truth, and offering the sacraments. The priesthood is not a position of power or prestige, but a humble vocation of service. Saint Paul is a priest, Romans chapter 15, verse 16, and he was called Father, 1 Corinthians chapter 4, verse 15. Maunang mutawag tag Father sa atong mga pari. Kaya na sa sulod sa Biblia.